All right, so we are here in cabin 5211, which is my interior Terrazza Carnivale stateroom. And here is kind of a quick pan of the room. Really chic and warm, cozy accommodations here. You have, of course, your traditional light switch setup. The air does feel good in here. There were some complaints, there's some hooks behind the door. There were some initial complaints about, oh, there's robes and socks here. Or slippers, a full-length mirror. A signature robe. Life vest. Oh, I like that they remind you what your number is. Muster station. A safe and some drawers. A stool to sit. And then you have the light switch back there. And then here is the restroom. The hard side shower. Little faux marble action. And a couple of shelves. You will get an invitation here on your first day that invites you to the Terrazza Carnivale event. And you get a certain color wristband for each sailing. Here's my wristband. I'm going to put it on so I can get access to all the areas. Also here you have a couple more plugs, telephone, notepad. So let's talk about some of the perks of Terrazza Carnivale. You have a dedicated breakfast space every morning from the times indicated here on this email that you'll get from Carnival about a week out. On select sea days, there is a dedicated brunch in the Fahrenheit Lounge. And there is a dedicated outdoor deck area for you, as well as a private sail-away party on the first day. All those things make Terrazza Carnivale worth it. If you have a balcony on Terrazza Carnivale, this is what it would look like with a hammock and 2 plush loungers. However, if you want increased privacy, this is not the space for you. If you want immediate ocean views, that's not the space for you. But here are the 2 very clean and empty whirlpools that you will have access to throughout your voyage. So I am See It with C. Thanks for traveling with me. This is my interior cabin, the Carnival Terrazza, room 5211. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like this content, and I will see you in the next video.